Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set apps to allow to use data while data saver is on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. In here, go down and tap on data usage, then tap on data saver, and then tap on allow to use data while data saver is on. Now we want to go down the list here and choose an app that you want to allow. So if you want to allow Gmail, then you tap on Gmail, tap on Gmail switch to turn it on. Once it is turned on, so it still can use data even if data saver is on. So normally when data saver is on, it can save, helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using the data on the background. So let's say if you want Gmail to constantly check on the mail server to see if you have any new mails, and in order for the apps to do that, it needs to perform some background check on the background, and that's how you can allow Gmails to continue to do that even when data saver is turned on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.